we are off for a nature walk, aren't we, Eddie? Got your camera. Let's go take some photos of nature. Yay! Good morning and welcome to my chalet. My name is Angela and we are off to Pelorus today. We are going up a windy road. Over the thingamowers. Addie has her camera with her and we have a little scavenger hunt.
Loading out!
Little scavenger hunt which she's going to take some photos of and see how many she can get. I have my little crochet project I'm working on and it's going to take us about 40 minutes to get there. So let's go!
On the tree. Is this your house? Are you in a house?
A tree house. That's a
buggies.
These are where the buggies are.
Alright, we just went for a walk, went for a play in the water, picking up some stones. Hello. And now it's time to go.